Welcome crafters! Thank you for tuning in my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a snowflake. For this project, I'm using a small steel hook and Aunt Lydia's size 10 crochet thread. To start off round 1, we'll make a chain of 5 and we'll do slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. Round 2, we'll do a chain of 3 and single crochet it into the ring, and you'll repeat it 5 more times, so you'll end up with having 6 of the chain 3 space around the ring. Round 3, we're going to be working popcorn stitches in each of those chain 3 space. And if you remember, popcorn stitch consists of 5 double crochets. So we'll start with chain 3 as your first double crochet and work 4 more. Then you'll need to do a slip stitch through the first double crochet to make it pop. Now when I'm doing these ornaments, I realize that some of us are just starting, and so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some tutorials on basic crochet stitches. So please subscribe to my channel and tune in to get notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you. When you're done with the popcorn stitch, we're going to work chain 7 right over top of that popcorn and do another popcorn stitch in the next chain 3 space. So to complete the round, we'll need to do 4 more popcorns. So the pattern for this round consists of popcorn and chain of 7. Once the round is completed, we'll do a slip stitch behind that first popcorn to join the round. And now we're going to slip stitch into the second chain and do chain 3. That'll count as your first double crochet, and work 4 more double crochet in the chain 7 space. Okay, that will be your first popcorn stitch. So you need to do a slip stitch, pull it through, and you have a popcorn. And you'll do chain of 8, work another popcorn in that space, making sure that the last double crochet will be crochet in the second last chain of that chain 7. So by crocheting in the beginning of the chain and the end of the chain, this helps you to keep your popcorns in place. And when you do that, it actually gives you better definition with your pattern. Next, we'll do chain 4 and slip stitch into the back of the popcorn. Make another chain 4 and double crochet in the second chain of the chain 7. So simply repeat the pattern, making sure that each of the chain 7 space that we have popcorn stitch, chain of 8, and popcorn stitch. When done, chain of 4 and do a slip stitch to the back of that popcorn from the last round. Next, we'll need to make chain of 4 and we'll slip stitch in the back of the popcorn. Okay, and single crochet into the chain. We'll need to work 6 single crochet. Okay, when we have 6 single crochet, we'll do chain of 5 and we're going to do single crochet into the second or the third chain. Single crochet into the third chain. Okay, you'll get your first picot. Okay, repeat by doing another chain of 5 and single crochet into the third chain. That's your second picot, and would need to do another one, 3 picots for this. Right, after the third picot's done, line them up and you see that you'll need to do a single crochet or actually slip stitch into that bottom stitch of the first picot to join them. And now you need to work chain of 3. Okay, and go back to the chain and work another 6 single crochet. Next, we'll need to make chain 6 and slip stitch behind the popcorn. And single crochet into the chain 8 space. Again, work 6 single crochet and the 3 picots. Okay, slip stitch to join the picot and chain of 3 and single crochet back into the chain 8 space. Okay, simply repeat the pattern until it's done, and once it's done, then we'll need to make a chain of 6 and join behind the popcorn to complete the round. There, congratulations, you have just completed the most delicate snowflake ever. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please give me thumbs up if you liked it, and share it with your friends if you think they'll find it useful. Leave a comment and subscribe to get notification of upcoming videos. Thank you.